Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to give you a look at this beautiful modern farmhouse table. This is an expandable table that can comfortably sit 6 to 10 people depending on where you have it set. Now we do have this set right now to its longest at 78 inches and we have 6 chairs here, so this will give you an idea of how it looks to seat 6 people at the full length table, but you can very easily adjust and remove the extra pieces and make it a little bit more of a cozy setting. But this is going to be a great table for family gatherings or hostings because of how many people it can seat. And I absolutely love the style of this. It's a modern country style, but it's still elegant and has that natural look to it because of the marble pattern that it has. So I think it would easily fit into pretty much any decor style, and we really love it in our home. It does have a load capacity up to 260 pounds because there is a steel support bar that runs throughout the table, ensuring stability and giving added support. Plus, this was easy to assemble. My husband had it put together by himself within an hour. So if you guys were looking for a really wonderful table, something that's going to fit seamlessly pretty much into any space, but add a touch of elegance, this is such a great option. I love that it's adjustable so you can make it more cozy or you can stretch it out and enjoy large family meals. So I would definitely give it a try.